Yet another one falls. BlockFi came out with their Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So I think that it's fair to say that the crypto space is completely screwed. Alright, so today we have to talk about the crypto space, and of course, if you have been following this channel, you probably already know that BlockFi is going to go bankrupt. The days were numbered before you actually know it. When FTX filed for bankruptcy, or when FTX started halting withdrawals, the signs were on the wall. Right, so let's talk about the crypto space. Right, first of all, just a note to every investors out there: if you have not diversified your portfolio, please, 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 please diversify your portfolio. It could be in stocks, it could be in equity, it could be in securities, could be in gold, could be in real estate, could be in cash. Whatever it is, diversify. And personally, my own for my own diversification, of course, not financial advice, is that for cryptocurrency, I'm not gonna hold it up more than 20% of my entire portfolio. Right now, I think it's about 13% or so. But of course, according to what I also have posted on my Instagram stories as well, which is I am currently not holding 20 coins like I was last year. I'm actually only holding one cryptocurrency, which is Ethereum. Of course, this is not me trying to pump and dump any sort of cryptocurrency out there. Personally, right now, I'm going to be as transparent as I can. I'm going to be selling this Ethereum in a bit. I'm not sure it's going to be today, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. I'm not sure. But right now, I do have a little bit of Ethereum left in my MetaMask. And I do intend to sell Ethereum very, very soon. And of course, do not misunderstand me selling Ethereum that, I am just completely bearish about cryptocurrency as a whole. But I just do think that the whole entire crypto space as a whole currently is not mature enough. I think I have mentioned this multiple times on multiple videos, speaking about how the crypto space needs regulation, and how a lot of those crypto bulls and of course crypto fanatics, they usually think that regulation is going to be killing cryptocurrency. However, let's be honest here, for the past 5 different bankruptcy, such as your Celsius, your Voyager, your 3AC, FTX, all of them failed because of a lack of regulation. And if you think that we are in this current crypto winter due to the fact that we have too much regulation, then I'm sorry, you have another thing coming for you. So clearly, right now, regulation is a huge talking factor in cryptocurrency. And of course, if you are actually 100% into cryptocurrency, or 80%, I don't know, okay? If anything were to happen to those cryptocurrency, you're not FDIC insured, you're not SPIC insured, none of those regulations are protecting you. And that's going to be the issue. Okay, and of course, I know that it's going to be a huge gamble most of the time. Let's be honest, if you're 100% into cryptocurrency, at this point of time, it's most likely you're just gambling. Okay, because you have the chance to lose the entirety of your entire capital, or you can get 100 times of the capital that you actually invested at the start of putting it into cryptocurrency. So of course, if you're into gambling, hey, no judgment over here. But of course, if you're into sensible investing, if you're into, sane and safe investing, just learn to diversify your portfolio just a little bit. So today, of course, we have to talk about what happened with BlockFi. Of course, I think that is quite obvious. We all know what happened to BlockFi, because BlockFi was actually assured to be bailed out by FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. But of course, after what happened with FTX, after they started halting withdrawals, the signs were on the wall. Like I said before, it just had to follow for BlockFi to get completely liquidated. They couldn't follow up with all those withdrawals that was actually coming in, especially after FTX entire fiasco happened. The amount of people who went to BlockFi or go to any of their exchanges to click a withdraw, the amount is crazy. Okay, the outflows are insane. And if you can even try to imagine the ratio of the outflows versus the inflows, after hearing the whole entire FTX fiasco, how many percentage do you think actually decided, oh, you know what, I am going to go and sign up for BlockFi, or I'm going to go sign up for a different crypto exchange and start buying cryptocurrency? The chances of that, of course, I'm not going to say it's completely zero. There are going to be people constantly buying the dip, but those people are going to be quite little, which is why the prices of Bitcoin or the prices of all cryptocurrency in general continues to dip down further. So of course we right now, I think the main thing that for the main thing for you to actually get out of this entire video is quite simple. Okay, if you think that your cryptocurrency is in exchanges and in crypto lenders, lending platforms such as BlockFi, well, not anymore. If you think that those cryptocurrencies in those platforms are safe, you are wrong. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to say you are wrong. You're just wrong. If you have anything on exchanges in general, just get them out. Of course, I know that for people who are using Coinbase, which is also I do have a link down in the description box for Coinbase. If you do have Coinbase do have their own wallet system as well. You can trust it, you can don't. Okay, but if you were to get any sort of cryptocurrency, just get it out of the system. Just put it into a cold wallet, put it into a MetaMask, put it into a wallet that you can trust, where only you know the 30-digit password to your own wallet. Okay, so very, very important. If you do intend to continue in this this whole entire crypto space, it's going to be a long winter. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I've been calling out this winter since like 2021, and and a lot of people thought that like maybe not. I think that crypto is still going to be very, very bullish in the long run. I know, I personally, like I said before in my previous video on FTX as well, I do think that cryptocurrency do have a lot to offer in the space moving forward. I think that right now we're just way too early, and I think regulations have a huge part to play. We really do need to see a lot of regulation actually coming into crypto space before we can actually see any sort of growth coming. And right now, I think that fear in general is just going to be spreading like wildfire in this entire space. Scams are going to be at the all-time high right now because people wants to show you that they are the safest. People want to show you that they can earn the most. People want to show you that they can have the highest returns. Okay, and if you're talking about how, like for example, like a crypto lender BlockFi, if they are actually giving you such a good offer to get a 10% return, just imagine the amount of risk that they have to actually go through. Okay, they have to go through so much risk to at least get more than 10%, so that you get your 10% and they get whatever that's left. Okay, they could earn 30% so that they can get 20% and 10% for you. Whatever it is, okay, the amount of risk going forward is definitely going to be super duper high, and that's why sad to say that crypto lender BlockFi have to actually file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And of course, for people who actually have their capital actually stuck in BlockFi right now, I feel a little bit sorry for you guys, but of course I think that I kind of don't want to just put sprinkle salt on your wound either, but the chances of you actually getting back your funds are actually as close to zero as it can be. But of course, if you do have any of your funds in any other exchanges or any lending platforms out there, just put it into a cold wallet. If you really do believe in cryptocurrency in the long run, just put it into a cold wallet like what I did. I think that would be a lot safer. I'll bet you're not able to get 5%, 8%, 12% returns on any of those lending exchanges and such. But at the same time, for a fact that whatever that you do have is actually going to be safe. Okay, right now I think BlockFi don't really control that much market share, so I don't think there's going to be much movement in the cryptocurrency prices as of now. But of course, if you are talking about how, I don't know, okay, of course this is not financial advice, nor is this financial prediction. But for example, if in the next few months Binance were to come out to say that they are starting to halt withdrawals, or if Crypto.com comes out to say that they are halting withdrawals, all these are going to be potential bearish bets against the market, and cryptocurrency is going to just continue to nosedive even further. Okay, we are not out of the woods in terms of bad news. I think that there is it's very possible for you to get even more bad news, and any form of good news coming into the cryptocurrency market not exactly going to be helping the market as of now, which is why it's a crypto winter. And sadly to say, this crypto winter is going to be extending even longer than we actually think. So of course, like I said at the start of the video, diversify. I think this is the most important thing that you can do. I think that if you do not start to diversify your entire portfolio right now, and if you're 100% into cryptocurrency or 80% into cryptocurrency, I don't know, it's going to be a rough ride, and I hope that you have a high income skill out there to continue having sort of like liquid cash for your everyday life. And I hope that whatever money that you actually put into crypto are money that you're willing to lose, because it's definitely going to be a rough ride. And of course, hopefully you guys make it big. Those people who are actually betting huge money into cryptocurrency, I sincerely hope that you guys win a lot of money, win it big, because of course that's going to be helping us pave the way for a better future for cryptocurrency. Otherwise than that, like I said, diversify. But anyway, that's all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, I appreciate it if you guys drop a like on this video, and also, subscribe to my channel. It's free. If you guys decide after watching 2 or 3 videos of mine every week, and you guys decide that, yeah, it's not my cup of tea, unsubscribe. Completely free. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.